Hey guys, welcome to my channel Moneymaker001. In this video, I'm gonna show you a really unique affiliate program which not most of the people are promoting, and there is a huge opportunity for you to be a part of that program and start promoting it, and you can earn a lot of money just by promoting this very awesome affiliate program. So now let's
So
get
now we are
started.
into our computer screen and I'm talking about the affiliate program which is Fiverr's affiliate program. Yes, Fiverr has its own affiliate program. Just go to Fiverr and scroll down below and you can just click on this affiliates button, okay? And from now then you can just go and sign up for Fiverr affiliates. It's really simple and is really easy to join Fiverr affiliates program. Most of the people are not promoting this program, and that's the reason why there is a huge opportunity that you can make a ton of money with it. Let me show you what type of commissions the Fiverr affiliate program pays to you. So you can see you can get $15 to $50 CPA. Okay, so if someone registers for Fiverr with your affiliate link and purchases any service, then you are gonna get this CPA commission. Or you can opt for Fiverr hybrid program, or you can also promote all this stuff. Okay, so you can see if you promote this whiteboard and animation explainer gigs, then you are gonna get $50. Okay, that's something which is really awesome. And if you promote this type of gigs, then you are gonna get $40. If you are promoting this gigs, then you are gonna get $30. If you are promoting this gigs, then you are gonna get $25, and minimum is $15. So you can earn a lot of money with just Fiverr affiliate CPA program. Okay, now let me show you how you are gonna promote this. For example, if you are gonna promote this, okay, so we just got our all you need to do is just click on this join now button, just fill out all those details and you are ready to go, and you have been signed up for the Fiverr affiliate program. Once you get to Fiverr's affiliate program, you will get your affiliate link. Okay, it's a really simple interface, not at all very difficult to navigate or use. Okay, so once you have signed up for Fiverr affiliate program, let me show you a really interesting way to make some awesome money with Fiverr affiliate program. So once you have got over here to the Fiverr affiliate program, now the next thing is that you just need to go to YouTube and you just need to type in really specific keyword. Okay, so let me tell you, that is logo, best logos. Okay, so you just need to type in and you can see there are a lot of you can see this. Okay, so all design ideas. So what this type of channel does is that it takes a bunch of logo images from all over the internet. Okay, so what you can do is that you can just do this type of stuff. Okay, so you can just make compilation videos of different logos which are available all over the internet. Okay, so you can just make a compilation video of 50 logos, 60 logos, 17 logos, 18 logos, 20 logos. Okay, and all you need to do is provide the Fiverr's gigs affiliate link in the description of a logo designer. Okay, so if someone goes and buys the logo design service from Fiverr from your affiliate link, then you are gonna receive a commission. Now how you can make this type of very simple videos which are really very good logo compilations. You don't need to make the logos yourself because you are not gonna monetize this channel, or maybe this channel may not get monetized, but it's okay because we are just searching for traffic for our Fiverr affiliate programs, and we are gonna monetize this traffic with Fiverr affiliate program. And that's the reason why you can make very simple videos just like this and just make a compilation videos. Now how to make a compilation video? All you need to do is just grab some copyright free music from YouTube audio library, and the second step is that download this free video editor which is known as OpenShot video editor. Okay, and all you need to do is place your images into this and place some background music in the background of this video editor, and there are a ton of tutorials which show you how to use this video editor. Okay, and you can just make all these very simple videos just by doing this very simple stuff. Okay, and it's really awesome because all you need is 10, 20, 50 images of different logos, okay, which you can find all over the internet. So you can download some of them, and all you need to do is just make a compilation of those videos and just start putting those compilations into a YouTube channel every single day, and day by day you will start getting traffic on your YouTube channel, and you just have to provide your Fiverr's affiliate link in the description, so that if someone signs up for Fiverr with your affiliate link and buys any service from Fiverr, then you are gonna receive a commission from that, and you are gonna earn money in this way very simply using this Fiverr's affiliate program. Now everybody will tell you that everyone is telling you that how to use Fiverr's affiliate program, but in a wrong way. This is the right way how you can promote Fiverr's affiliate program. This is the real strategy which really works. Okay, don't just comment in other people's YouTube videos on all that stuff. That's something which doesn't really work. But if you are gonna put in this work, if you are gonna make this compilations, it's really simple. All you need to do is search for how to make a compilation video with OpenShot video editor, and you will find a lot of videos which will teach you all this stuff. Okay, and all you need to do is just do this, and you can just start make money out of it. Okay, all you need to do is provide your Fiverr's affiliate link in the descriptions of this type of videos which you are gonna make, which are simple compilation videos for YouTube, and you can start making money with this, because day by day as your traffic goes on increasing, the more revenue you start generating, because more and more people will sign up for these logos on your affiliate link, and you are gonna make more and more money every single day. So this is something which is really interesting. This is something which can really make you a ton of money. Not everybody is doing this, and that's the reason why you can make a ton of money out of it. Okay, and this is something which is really unique. This is something which has been never shown on YouTube. Okay, this is the most unique video, and no one has ever thought about this strategy before than I have done it today. So if you got some value out of this video, press the like button, smash the subscribe button, as well as you can also follow me on Instagram. The links there in the description. We'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay happy, stay subscribed, and thanks for watching.